Now to use Figma templates, all I want you to do is come here to your dashboard, then just click here on community. And if you scroll down here, you'll see different templates. So we have website templates and other templates as well. So we have UI kits, FigJam templates as well. So for website, you just click here and then you just choose the one you need. There are many filters here. For example, you can choose a real estate one, a CRM one. I'll just scroll down. Let's say you want this, the friendly accounting services. You just click on that and then you just click here on use template. Of course, you can preview this and see what it would look like on different devices. This is what it would look like on the PC. If you're happy with it, just come here, click on use template, and then it would actually open up in a new tab a website you can fully go ahead and customize, as you can see right here. Now they have different pages and different views. So this is the booking page, and this is what it would look like on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Really that easy.